Hello, you poor unfortunate souls. Today we are creating Ursula! Yay! So I'm going to be taking the white Mehron Paradise paint and putting that on all of the high points of my face first. So on my cheeks, the bridge of my nose, my collarbones, and my chin. Now I'm going to be taking this brilliant purple by Mehron and putting that everywhere, all over my face. And I am mixing in a little bit of the white into that purple just to kind of make it not so dark and match Ursula's skin color a little bit more. Alright, so now that job is done, we're going to be using my very dirty James Charles Morphe palette, and I'm going to be using mainly those purples there on the bottom, and I'm also going to be adding in a little bit of the black and white to certain areas of my face. So right now I'm taking a small detail brush and carving out all the points that I want to look sunken in, so my cheekbones, my jawline, my nose, and a little bit on my chest where my collarbone and everything is. Putting a little bit of that white on the high points of my chest and face like I did with the paint, but this is the white eyeshadow. Okay, now the fun part. We're going to be taking that crazy blue color from the James Charles palette and putting that all over our lids. Ursula loved her some blue eyeshadow, so we are going to love some blue eyeshadow today. Alright, and I'm going to take the black from the James Charles and kind of just deepen up the outer corners of my eye as well as my lower lash line. Alright, so now I'm going to take that shiny aqua blue and put that over top of the other blue eyeshadow just to make it stand out a little bit more. Ursula dance, Ursula dance. Yes, 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 Alright, and now I'm going to take that black eyeshadow and kind of curve out my inner corner just to make my eyes look a little bit more cartoonish and a little bit more dramatic. Alright, so this is the NYX Epic Liner Pen. I love this thing. This is the best eyeliner ever, and I'm going to use that and create a very fun cat eye. Now we're going to be taking the highlighting shade from the James Charles palette, putting that on my inner corners, on my nose, on my cheekbones, basically putting that highlight everywhere. She likes her a blinding highlight. Alright, we're just filling in our eyebrows with that black Mehron Paradise paint and making us look very evil and sinister like Ursula is. And I'm also adding in a couple of different cartoonish lines and shapes all over my body. I was basing it off of that picture that I showed you at the beginning off Pinterest. So this just gives it a little bit more detail and makes it a little bit more interesting with all these nice, fun lines. Alright, now I'm going to be using the NYX White Epic Liner and adding in some fun little cartoony dots in different places where I want to break up the black and the purple. Alright, now I'm going to be using the NYX Butter Gloss in Rome and putting that all over my lips. I love the butter gloss. It is so nice, so soft, and so creamy. This stuff is amazing. And what would Ursula be without her beauty mark? Come on, everyone needs a beauty mark. Gonna put her beauty mark there and outline my lips with the black Epic liner. All right, now I'm going to go put my lashes on and my hair, and I will be right back. Okay guys, so I hope that you enjoyed my Ursula-inspired Disney villain look. I only have 2 more weeks of this series, so make sure and get caught up on the villains that I've already done and hit that notification bell and the subscribe button so you can see the villains I'm going to be doing next. Love you guys so much, and I will see you next week.